Right, so the concrete's gone off now. We've took us pins and a string line off. What we're going to do now, we're going to determine this highest point, wind down 2 nuts to the highest point and then level around so that all the nuts are the same height. I'm going to rake all that muck off and put a weed barrier over the top, and then we'll cut the steel, drill the steel, put the steel on, and that's the way it is then. Right, thanks. So if we have a look at what John's doing here now, he's nipping the nuts off against each other. He's moving round from rod to rod using his spirit level, and he's levelling each set of nuts so they're the same height, so all around the perimeter and down the middle as well we'll have a set of locked nuts all the same height, which we will then drop on this steel shoe, which we'll cut and drill on Monday. So that's a channel there, it's a 100mm by 50mm channel. I've marked it up for cutting into 6-inch pieces, and we'll drill that and drop them shoes on the top there. And what he's doing here, so he's levelling, just shows there John what you're doing. So he's levelling off them nuts he's pre-locked there to this set of nuts. He'll level them off, lock, then he'll lift his level, and he'll rotate his level in case the level's slightly out. So every time you go to a next nut, you rotate the level again, and then it ensures if the level's running out, at least you're correcting it every single time. Right, so what we've done, just to reiterate, we've dug us holes, we've put in a threaded bar, 24mm there, it's got a 10mm 100x100 square plate washer on, that stops it driving through the concrete. John's gone round and nipped up all the nuts, they're all level with each other now. So we've levelled the area as well, we've put down a weed suppressant membrane, and on Monday we'll cut the steel shoes, put them on and get the framing. So there you can see basic shape there. Got the perimeter, we've also got a line down the middle which will support the joists in the middle, and we'll crack on Monday. So thanks very much. If you like it, subscribe and leave any comments or any questions you might have as well, and we'll see you Monday. Thank you.